bitch. Look at all these red, bitch. You know I got it set, bitch. Touching all day, they can't even see me through the black. So I'm beating down your floor. I got 12 in the back, bitch. I got sticks for 80 nigga play, then I'ma have to spread it.
Hey, what it do, man? It's your boy Bust. Hey, excuse this. Bust Down King, and I'm back with another video. What the day is? Today is Saturday. Well, Friday. Excuse. What we fixing on here? Another Q50. So this is my first time ever doing this, so we're gonna show you. Well, the part is in the car. So what are we doing today? What is the transmission? Transmission valve volume. Valve body. So, customer stated that it's not going past 10 miles per hour. So, she was so, y'all remember this car? This is what I did whatever that motherfucker called. I forgot what I changed on here. I did the radiator and thermostat. This is the Q50. I done changed that. So what are we doing now? Transmission. First in history in my lifetime. Everybody clap. Yay. Yay. So, we finna get to it. It shouldn't take long. It shouldn't take long at all, y'all. It should take part. It shouldn't take long. So, I'm gonna show y'all the part. We can look everything up. Look pretty easy. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna show y'all this part. Let me flip this camera around. Woo. This small little baby right here causes a lot of issues for those who don't know. This motherfucker is greasy. That's how I like it. I like it greasy. Easy to slip in and easy to slip out. So, this what it is. So for those who have a Q50, G37, anything between 2014 and up, if your car is not accelerating, if your vehicle, for an example, if it's not accelerating past 15 miles per hour, you will have to change this. Is it easy? I don't think it is, but we're gonna make it happen today. So as you can see, take off right there. Hello. You ain't gonna say hey to nobody or nothing. You just gonna be a little butthole today. You gonna speak? There you go. He spoke. So, yeah. So we doing this today. So the first thing y'all gotta do, get your jack stands. Oh, you have to use the same transmission fluid. So you gotta buy the pump, because as in just off for the say, as in Audis and the Infinities, we cannot pump the transmission through the top no more. We have to pump it through the bottom. So, the same stuff we using, you have to change it out. And once we change all that out, we're gonna go and get to it. So you have to put that, change it to that, put that on there. So, yeah. Remember, with that being said, let's hurry up, get to it, because I think this process takes at least an hour or 2 hours to do. So I gotta jack this daddy up. So stay tuned for the remainder of the video. Yes. So we under here. Make sure y'all got y'all safeties on, bro. I don't need this falling on y'all when y'all doing it. Don't say bust down to you. So what you gotta take off, gotta take this off, move it out the way. And then if you do or don't have test pipes, your O2 sensor, you gotta take it off, because it's gonna be under there, which I'm gonna show y'all during this process. But then what you gonna need is really gonna need just two, just a 10 and a 13, maybe 3. And I do and don't recommend you get a drill. Like if you're gonna get a drill to take them off, take the bolts off, but do not get a drill to put them back on, because you will over script and then you're gonna be mad as hell. And then you have to order a whole nother one, and you know how that go. So yeah, we're gonna go take this off. See, look, bam, it just come on down. So I think I gotta go back there and take that one off, because I can't just have this like this because I got to get to this. So I'm gonna have to take the all bracket off right here to get in there. So just to show y'all, I gotta take that off. I take that off to get in there. And as y'all can see, you're gonna have to take your O2 sensors off. You're gonna have to take your O2 sensors off just to get to it. So future reference, guys, this where that your O2 sensors. This car has stock cats. You know what I'm saying? So we really don't have to worry about it, but it has stock cats. So like I said, man, you gotta get back there, take this screw off so this can come off, and I'm gonna show y'all what I mean by it. Yeah, I hate being under the car. So yeah, once you do all that, you gotta take this off. This is your O2 sensor. Make sure y'all don't break this. Please don't break this, you'll be buying another one. So, like I said, it connects, you gotta disconnect this. So you gotta take all these bolts off, guys. But before y'all do that, you need to take it out. When you take all the bolts off, take these off first. These bolts right here off first. So when you put your oil drip pan back here, the transmission fluid will drip in. And make sure this is cold, man. Please make sure this is cold, because if you don't make sure it's cold, this shit is hot. You're gonna fuck over yourself. So I just want to show y'all that make sure y'all put this under here and go from there and do this. But yeah, I be trying to hurry and get from under the car, bro, because you know what I'm saying, even though I got jack stands, bro, I still be cautious and paranoid that being under here. Like, gotta make sure they own the body. Like that. I still be paranoid, bro. I don't care what nobody say. I still be paranoid. So I'm gonna get back to y'all the rest of the video, man. Yes, sir. So to take your drain off, this right here, you will need a 19 or a 13. So it's gonna take a few minutes for y'all to drain it. So make sure y'all have y'all drainer right here. So when it starts draining, it just shoots right in there. Make sure y'all take your time with this. But it's a 19 right here, man. This is either a 19 or a 13. So I'm gonna take that off, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do that once I do this. So just to show y'all, I already loosened the bolt. When I say this sucker was on there so hard, but make sure y'all move this. Make sure y'all put these up, man. These are your O2 sensors. When I say this sucker right here, when that bolt, boy, when I say it was hard, make sure y'all take y'all time, bro, with this. And there you go. That is your transmission. And we gonna see how that go. So this process of draining will take a minute. So you got two options. You can either go and be taking some of the bolts off or whatever you're gonna be doing and going. So, but I'm gonna just wait until it's all drained out, because this same transmission can go right back in there. So yeah, I do my own work, buddy. I don't know if this good or bad that it got that less in there. So we just gonna wait to see. So I'm really curious. That sound like my brother. Takeoff sounds so motherfucking good, bro. So, before y'all do anything, bro, you see this? Disconnect this, and it's another one on the other side, bro. Please disconnect that. That's why I say disconnect your battery. Take this off, and this is your transmission. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this. Don't be scared. You're gonna get a little dirty. For you bougie motherfuckers, don't be scared. You're gonna get dirty. Make sure y'all got everything from out of here. You understand me? Yep. This is how your transmissions look. Make sure y'all disconnect that pin. It's one more in there. I can't find it, which I'm gonna find it. But make sure y'all disconnect your pins. Yes, sir. Make sure y'all disconnect it. Cause I disconnect this one. And we're gonna move you out the way. get you out the way. Make sure it ain't nothing else. So, I'm telling y'all this. I done cut myself 3-4 times. So, taking this motherfucker out is ridiculous. So, it's a clamp that you just have to go in. That's like 90,000 bolts that's on this motherfucker. So, to show y'all what I mean by 90,000 damn bolts, you basically don't have to take this out. You don't have to take this out. You have to take the outside and the free this. But when you do it, do not take all these off. Lean it so the back up, because it's gonna be hella more up in there. Because when you first drain it out, it was not done. It had more under this. So you have to take this off, and it's a clamp. Make sure y'all be careful too, bro, because it's a clamp in there that will cut your damn hand off. Make sure y'all disconnect it. So what I think I gotta do is take this off, because this is the sensor. I was told this is the speed sensor right here. So let's hope that I won't have to go back through the process. But the other one, this one, almost got me. You thought you almost had me. So this is the new one. It didn't come with that piece, which something may be. I hope nothing's wrong. We have to take this off to put it over here. We gotta take this off, put it over here, which, as y'all can see, it's not too shabby to take off. So we basically just transferring all this from here to here. Take this off, put it over here, which I'm finna figure out how that go. So this is the speed sensor. Remind y'all, this is the speed sensor. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. So, don't know if I told y'all, if you just bought just this piece, buy the whole thing, man, with this on there. Because if you don't, you'll be doing what I had to do. You gotta unscrew all these and unscrew all of them. Put this over there. Yeah, you gotta move this over there. So I don't know if I showed y'all, but yeah, you gotta move that over. So we still out here, cold and all, but I'm not cold. So now I done transferred everything to this. I had to make sure everything was straight. Now I gotta go back under here and bolt this motherfucker back up. Now I hope I remember where the fuck to put these bolts in, bro, because it's been a minute. So now I'm really lost. So I gotta scoop my ass back up under here. So I'm gonna go and throw this motherfucker up under that. And thank God for my battery pack. Without that motherfucker, boy, look, Lord, look out. I'm hoping that I didn't forget a bitch ass thing on this motherfucker. Everything is nice and tight. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Make sure y'all keep it clean, bro, because y'all know when them transmission get the slightest rock or the slightest whatever, the slightest anything, bro, will fuck your transmission up, bro. So please, guys, please clean this motherfucker up back how it was. Make sure it's straight. Make sure you got all your tools. Make sure. So future reference, you will have to put this back on. I already put this on. This gonna be all day. I know it's gonna be all day. This on. Yeah, so I'm gonna be pumping for a minute. I can see that now. Oh shit. So we gotta get back under here, y'all. Gotta get back under here. Gotta get back under here. Gotta get back under here. So come on. Get your ass. Let's get your fat asses under here. So oh yeah, make sure y'all see, look. You see that? That going in your transmission, bro. That's going in your transmission. Just letting y'all know that's going in your transmission. Going in your transmission. Make sure you get your transmission gasket. Thank you kindly. However this hole was on. So slide this motherfucker. Put this gasket back on, bro. Make sure y'all put your gasket back on. This motherfucker fucked up too. Can't deny you. That's how it's supposed to be. So that's how it's supposed to be. Instead of this motherfucker a 2-hour job, it turned to a damn near almost 3 hours. So I hope, cause we gotta make sure this gas is on right, bro. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, man. Yes. Just to follow up, so it was just the only thing was wrong with the vehicle that it didn't go over 15 miles per hour. So now it's going over, but the other thing is that when they get to, I think, 3rd or 4th gear, it stays in that. So it's moving faster, but it's not letting them go to the other gear. So that little black piece I told y'all, if y'all order that to your transmission, just buy the whole piece with it, because you don't know if your baseboard is messed up. You know what I'm saying? So her baseboard was still messed up, so she gotta go back in her track. She gotta go back in there, redo all that again, to go through the whole process and doing that again to get that fixed. So yeah, that's the problem. I think it's a speed sensor, the speed sensor that I showed y'all in the video. But other than that, guys, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, get our post notification, man. I'm gonna end this video like this. If you didn't know, now you know, man. It's your boy Bust Down King. Take off.
Down your floor, I got 12 in the